Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends can join you in experience on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now click privacy. And now here you will find who can join you in experience, click on it and click friends, and that's it, it will be saved. That's how to make friends can join you in experiences, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.